Oh, what does this paper really mean? Professor Murray might know this. I shall go to the professor. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Professor, I really want to know about the original article of EPR Paradox.
The original article is in German language.
When was it published?
It was published in the Physical Review Journal in May 15, 1935. The English translation of the paper is Can Quantum Mechanical Description of Physical Reality be Considered Complete? This paper was co-authored by Albert Einstein with his two postdoctoral research associates Boris Podolsky and Nathan Rosen at the Institute for Advanced Study. This article is generally referred to as EPR. EPR comes from the name of those three physicists.
What is this article trying to say?
To understand this, you have to know about another thing.
What's that?
Success of a physical theory. In attempting to judge the success of a physical theory, we may ask ourselves two questions. The first question is the theory correct? The second question is the description given by the theory complete? In EPR Paradox, second question is considered.
What do you mean by the correctness of the theory?
The correctness of theory is determined by the degree of agreement between the conclusions of the theory and human experience. In physics, human experience is in the form of experiment and measurement. That means the descriptions in a theory can be verified by experiments. For example, Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves in his general theory of relativity. This remained as a prediction until 11 February 2016. On that day, LIGO collaboration announced the first observation of gravitational waves.
What is the completeness of the theory?
If the value of a physical quantity can be measured without disturbing the system, then that physical quantity is a physical reality. Physical quantity is a property of a material or a system that can be quantified by measurement. The measurement of that physical reality must be specified in a theory. That specification is called element. Each physical reality has its own element in a complete theory. The paper said that this is the necessary and sufficient condition for the completeness of a theory.
Which theory was opposed by EPR?
The great quantum theory. If a theory cannot specify a physical quantity, then we can reach two conclusions. The first conclusion is the quantity is not a physical reality. Second is the theory is incomplete. According to quantum mechanical uncertainty principle, we can't measure the definite values of two canonically conjugated quantities simultaneously. This principle rejected the simultaneous reality or simultaneous definite values for such quantities. For example, we can't measure the definite values of position and momentum simultaneously. But Einstein proved the simultaneous reality of any two non-commutable quantities by an indirect measurement. Quantum mechanics does not give any element corresponding to simultaneous reality. By these arguments, the article asserted that the quantum mechanical description of reality given by the wave function is not complete. Wave function does not give complete description of reality. Thus, EPR Paradox is trying to say the incompleteness of quantum theory.
Einstein never liked quantum mechanics?
Yes. The funny thing is that Einstein's photoelectric effect is the starting point of quantum mechanical concepts. He strongly opposes the probabilistic view and reality concepts of quantum world. He debated with Niels Bohr, one of the founders of quantum mechanics.
That's very funny. Thank you, Professor.